Hey, were you thinking that Disneyland's installation of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway was just going to be a clone of Florida? Well, think again. After Josh D'Amaro's presentation at the D23 Expo yesterday, I was among a small group of people who were invited to walk through the new installation of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway in Disneyland's new Toontown. Now, in Florida, Runaway Railway is set inside the Chinese Theater. That's a reproduction of a real place. So, a very different environment than what you're going to get in Toontown in Disneyland. This new version of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway is going to be set in the El Capitan Theater, a toon version of the El Capitan Theater that's so important in Disney history. Now, Disney released a couple pieces of concept art for the new queue for the Disneyland installation during the D23 Expo. And having walked through that queue now in person, I can tell you it is a way plussed up version of what you see in Florida. Can't give you all the details right now. Take a look at that concept art, but it is going to be amazing. It's basically a walkthrough attraction on its own, even before you get to the ride itself. And it really fits that kind of chaotic, madcap, toon energy that we already see in the ride. I'm a West Coast guy, but I'm a big fan of Runaway Railway, so I was thrilled when they announced that we were going to get a version in California. But now I'm even more excited because, frankly, we're getting the best version. So I cannot wait for everyone to get the opportunity to experience the new Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway for yourself when it opens at Disneyland in early 2023.